Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Emily and today I will be doing a protein power treatment for my hair. I will be using this today. It's the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. This smells so good. I love it. I will be doing a protein treatment today because my hair is feeling like a little dry and I feel like it needs a bit more moisture. I washed my hair. This is my hair without products. And let's get started. I'll start by parting my hair into 4 sections. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some water just to make sure that my hair isn't dry. I'm going to start small and start at the bottom and work my way up. I can instantly feel the softness in my hair, which I'm loving. And now I will be twisting this section. Okay, I have completed my twist outs for this section. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start my other section. Now start twisting. Okay guys, and this is it for my twist outs. Now I am going to get my shower cap and put my hair all together and let it dry for, let's see the directions, 10 to 15 minutes. See you guys in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes and I can definitely feel the softness in my hair. I am actually so excited to go wash this off and style my hair and see the outcome. I will show you guys my results. Please stay tuned because this is amazing. I'll be back. So these are my final results. I washed off the protein treatment and I styled my hair. I diffused my hair and here it is. If you guys enjoyed my video as much as I did with using this protein powered treatment, give my video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below with your favorite protein treatment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.